how to treat the upper lip. I'm applying the microneedling roller with gentle pressure. I'm rolling it from 4 different angles. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, on the opposite side the same, and then I'm just going to do a vertical roll, and I'm going into the vermilion line of my lips. So what we're doing here is we're creating a controlled trauma. Our upper lip loses collagen and elastin, but it shows signs of hormonal imbalance when we reach 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this is just a quick little tip on how to change that upper lip. You can even work down here in the lower lip, but for today I'm just doing the upper lip. I'm quickly going to apply some vitamin C, our superior C. Vitamin C stimulates collagen. And then I'm going to go in with a collagen serum. It has multiple peptides to treat those fine lines. Quickly, I'm going to finish the treatment with our Intense Pro Lift to get a really nice plumping effect that will last long term and is a beautiful treatment for a day, just to have a really nice plump lip. So I have turned on the EMS. It's plenty of conductor. I can feel the activity. I'm going right along that lip border, the vermilion, and I'm holding the lip, actually the nasal labial folds, in place. Can feel a lot of activity, and I'm just working quickly while I have the serums that are nice and moist above my lip. I'm going to roll the EMS back and forth on my upper lip, circular motion. I'm triggering blood flow, and I'm also getting a nice lift. And then I'll go right in, pucker my upper lip out, and I'll hold the device on that upper lip, right where the Cupid's bow is, and then on the outer part of the lip, Cupid's bow again, outer part of the lip. The Intense Pro Lip is so great for this treatment. This is taking 3 minutes. You can get it done in 1 minute if you want to just just treat your lips every morning. You'll see a reduction in the lines in the upper lip, a smoother texture, a brightness, and a plumping effect. So I hope this tip was helpful to you. If you would like to see more tips and tricks from our skin clinic, I'm Kelly J. I'm the founder of Jolie Visage Skincare, and we're on YouTube, and it's Jolie, Jolie, Day Spa, and thanks for stopping on by.